Hello everyone, welcome to this weather update. I hope you're all doing well today. Today we will talk about the system heading to the southeast US and we'll also discuss some extra stuff on the Pacific later. So first, what we are most concerned of with this system is the severe weather that's coming with it. So first, let's show you the SPC. They now have a slight risk for most of Florida on Saturday. This includes a 5% chance for tornadoes going all the way from Orlando to South Florida. So this tornado risk will mainly be concentrated in the evening and at night, so make sure you have ways to receive warnings, and in the afternoon some threat as well. And then there's a marginal risk that includes 2% chance for tornadoes, and the wind threat is a 15% in the slight risk and a 5% in the marginal risk. And hail, no hail threats for this storm. So be aware of that severe weather and warn others. So day 3 has also a marginal risk along the southeast coast, the east coast there. And let's show you some thermodynamics of the severe weather now. So first, the mixed layer cape. There's going to be some cape, yes, so that could fuel some storms. So let's show you some other graphics here, like the cyclonic potential vortice for Florida. There will be some. Now the 850 millibar height and wind. There will be many yellows and reds color for Florida, but as that system starts heading north towards the northeastern Canada, those 850 millibar winds start getting stronger, more purple and white, so it will be very windy there. Let's now see the accumulated rainfall predicted for this. So this is the Euro 24-hour accumulated rainfall. You can see there many places with 2 to 4 inches of rain, so be careful with rain in those areas of the southeast too. And now let's check if there might be some snowfall for other areas. It shows there might be some snow for parts of the northeast, maybe some ice in higher elevations as this system passes by, and it even shows in parts of the northern Appalachians some snow, so we'll keep an eye on that. Now let's check the risk for flash flooding, the excessive rainfall outlook. So today there's just a marginal in parts of East Texas or Louisiana because of the front passing by there, so be aware of that. But for tomorrow, there's a big slight risk for almost all of Florida, and I don't think this will get upgraded to a moderate, but it could, depending on how the rainfall is looking tomorrow. So, but be aware of flash flooding in all those regions. Day 3, it has slight risk for many parts of the east coast and also a marginal risk, so be aware of that. Day 4 has a slight risk for the northeast and a marginal risk around there as well, and also a marginal risk for parts of California. So there's a new system going to affect there, be aware of that. Day 5, the system is already gone from the east coast, and there's a marginal risk for the west coast. And last but not least, let's just check some model runs to see how this storm is looking like. So the GFS has this making landfall in like the Florida Big Bend around the 990 96 millibar pressure, and then tracking along the east coast as a strengthening low pressure. And just to be clear, this won't be a tropical system, it will be non-tropical. And the Euro has a similar thing around that region there, and has a similar pressure. So 996 or 997 the models have. So this might bring coastal flooding to parts of Florida too, mainly the west coast, but the east coast could have some onshore flow because of the wind. And let's not forget the islands nearby, like Bahamas and etc. It will affect them too, with rain and winds and waves. So if you have any questions about this system, ask us in the comments. And let's just check really quick the Western Pacific. So there are two areas of interest there. One has a medium chance of development. This might bring some rain to islands nearby. Be aware of that. And there's another area of interest further west with a lower, no, further east with a lower chance, but this could form later on. And there are the remnants of Cyclone Jasper, still affecting parts of northern Queensland. So be aware of that. And if you want to receive daily warnings on each country, and also tornado warnings and severe thunderstorm warnings on the US, check our other channel on the description. Thanks for watching, have a safe day.